Okay, number 26 dito, dinadala ang bola. Pass to number 9. Number 26, naghanap ng papasahan. 24 with a long 3. Bang!
Talaga nag-aapoy.
Points mula sa ating number 24.
Nakakulo, sasabaw na.
Number 81.
Out.
Shooting tayo sa get. Para magutom ka lalo.
Tanga, hindi tayo makapag-shooting eh. Bobo, dito na yun. Para pagat yan.
Second free throw.
Ako na laro-laro ang puta. Di ba yung masim nan?
Inbound number 14 has the ball now. MMS. Carrying up a pay. To number 11. Layup. Foul. Number 2 is good. Number 2.
Okay, number 26 dito. Setting up the play. Murphy, pass to number 1. Number 1, try with the long 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 9 dito. Number 11, sumalaksak. Sumalaksak, pumasok. Nakakuha ng foul. Okay, number 11 dito. Taking his first free throw. Okay, nice shot from number 11. Now we have a 10-point lead. Second, wala.
Mid-range. Good for number 27.
Okay, MHS dito setting up the play once more. We have a 12-point lead. Ano kayang gagawin nila dito? Screen. 26 with an opening pero sablay.
Bounded by number 81. Fighting for the ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Setting up a play. Number 81. Taking his time. Double team. Stepping on the
Stepping on
line.
the line, side 6 seconds remaining. Makahabol pa kaya ang MBHS? Screenplay once more. Number 9, sumalaksak. Pass to number 11. Wala. Still offensive rebound nila dito. Tumira, pasok. Nice shot mula sa MBHS.
Number 14. Nagpapadali.
Nagkakapadet pa lang.
MS.
Padet pa lang nila.
Taking their time. Number 27. Open. There's foul.
Foul dito mula sa number 8.
First personal foul number 8. First free throw is good. Second free throw for number 27.
Time remaining, we have here 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Murphy, nagdadala ng bola. Screenplay ulit. Screenplay. 27 na wala. They will have the same set. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Naghahanap ng mamasahan si number 1. Pass to number 11, William Verte. Okay. MHS, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Gomez. Mid-range wala.
MMS ball. Number 81. Directing the traffic. Ang gagawin niya dito? Taking his time. Inside the paint. Number 27. It's good. Nice assist.
Okay, MHS ball. Taking their time. Kinuha na dito yung number 26. Murphy, naghanap ng papasahan. Back to Murphy. Number 1. Okay, nahihirapan sila dito. Okay, number 3 pumasok.
Stolen. No, nagagawan.
Number 1, 2 points for number 1.
Full court press. Number 14. Pass to number 81. Taking his time. Setting up a screen. Number 81. Number 11. 14 floater. No good. But they still have the rebound. Number 5 to number 11. Inside. Layup. No good. Kanila pa rin yung rebound. Nakabit ng rebound din yan. Magagawan. They still have the ball possession. 4 seconds remaining. Into shot clock. What will they do here? Number 11 for 3. No good.
Kuha dito rin number 24, nagmamadali. Number 24, sumalaksak, pinasa sa number 1. Moran got foul. Foul by number 7. 13 foul. Okay, first shot dito. Sablay, sayang. Same shot, same result.
NMS. Ball possession. Number 81. Good pressure. No depensa. Setting on screen. To number 27. Looking for an opportunity here. Number 11. Crossover. 27 for an open layup. Let's go! Grabe naman mga play yun. Good assist by number 11.
Score natin dito, 67-53. Okay, number 24, Clemens. Anong gagawin niya sa malaksak? Pinasa kay number 11, Julian Huerte, wala.
Rebounded here by MMS. Bukas ang oras. Setting up a play. May depensa, pinapakita dito. Almost is the ball there. Number 27. Driving. Number 11. 3 seconds. 2. Airball.
Rebound dito ng MBHS.
Ano yan? Number 14. Fakes. Shots. Hit it.
Score natin dito, 69-53, partner. 16-point lead, Clemens. Clemens, malaksak.
Foul.
Okay, foul.
Number 81.
Okay, Murphy dito nagdadala ng bola. 20 seconds. Hali yung pass. Sablay.
Rebounded. 81. To number 14. Bumps. Stolen.
Kuha ni number 17 dito. Number 14. 24 pa na, long 3! One score, 3-point shot by number 24.
Tutuloy-tuloy kaya yun? O matipigilan ng MMS sa kanilang ball possession dito? Number 81. Taking his time. Ancheta. Crossover. 81. Floater. No good.
Okay, binadala dito. Clemens. Once more, 3-point shot. Wala, sayang, offensive rebound. Sa kanila pa rin. Tumira, wala.
Rebounded by number 11. 81. Ang gagawin nila dito? Tinasa ka number 27. Libre sa ilalim. Grabe naman yung setup na yun.
Okay, score natin dito, 71-56. Clemens, tira ba? Sumalaksak. Foul by number 11. Okay, number 24, taking his first free throw. Clemens, sablayan mo ng tira. Time remaining natin, 3 minutes, 1 seconds. Score, 71-59. 12-point lead by Miraculous Lakers. Offensive rebound, 17.
Kanino mo pupunta po ang possession? Number 81. Kadalo ng bola. Ancheta. For 3. No. Yeah, made it. Hindi nabantayan. Press.
15-point lead now dito.
Naagaw pa niya. Number 81. Ancheta ulit. Hindi na maagaw. Taking his time. Malandak mo na. To number 5. Looking for a teammate.
Ano yun? Isang million?
6 seconds remaining. Number 14 for long 3. Airball.
Kuha dito ng MPHS. Dinidiretso. Pass break. Pinasa. Yes sir, 2 points by number 17.
Bakit kay CC Rondino doon?
Balik sa MLS ang ball possession.
Malapit dito ay mas
Last 2 minutes.
Foul. Basket. It's foul already.
Third personal foul. And one. Follow up, rebounded by number 27.
And HSD dito rin ang shot ng bola.
Hindi papakita.
Number 24, tries a long 3.
Bang!
Pang pito na yan, partner. By Clemens.
Hindi init. Hindi mapula pa rin. Number 26. MLS. Gaganti ba ng long 3? Hindi. Umegay lang. Number 26. Dito daw mag na dito. Muntik na maagaw. Number 81. Pass over. Play up. Floater. Yes, it. Sa kanila pa rin yung rebound. Number 14 now. Out the ball. Lang remaining. Naka-play bang gagawin ka na dyan,
Shot clock violation. MDHS ball. Clemens. Tries a 3. Wala dito. Manakulos niya ang ball. Ubus na lang ba ang oras? 14-point lead.
Number 26 now. Dalating ng kami here. Number 14. Mid-range. Air ball. Sayang.
Okay, fast break dito, pero naagaw.
Number 26. Number 81.
Traveling violation. Okay, inbounding. Setting up the play. 24. Long 3 once more. Wala, sayang dito.
Ibang dito number 14. Pass break opportunity. Number 24. Libre-libre sa ilalim. Namitis pa. Follow up in just a minute.
Okay, rebound MBHS. MBHS, nagdadala ng bola. Okay, Murphy. Tries a long 3. Air ball.
Rebounded number 14. Number 26. Libre ulit sa layup. Mintis pa rin.
Okay, hindi ito nagdadala ng bola. Ubusin na lang oras.
Ubusoras lang. Ubusoras.
Okay, nice game for both teams. Final score natin, 78-64.
Congratulations, Miraculous Medical School, our winner here today in our first match.
Okay, bawi tayo, MBHS.